এই যেহেতু এর আগের দিন যে আমরা একটা গ্রোসারিতে গেলাম, সেকেন্ড যে গ্রোসারিটা, ওটার নাম কি ছিল? দেশি ব্রাদার্স। হ্যাঁ, ওইটার পাশের যে ইন্ডিয়ান রেস্টুরেন্টটা, ওইটার, ওইটা কি বাবুর্চি না? ওইটার গোট বিরিয়ানিটা খুব মজা ছিল। মানে আমরা যে দেশে যে বিফ তেহারি করতাম ওইটার মতো।
সিলভার কয়েনে দেন ভাই, সিলভার কয়েন।
ওটা বইলা তো উইকেট কিপারের তো একবারে হাসি খুশি করে দিল।
গেট
ওই তো মালিক।
ও মালিক, হ্যাঁ ভাই, হ্যাঁ মালিক।
এই উইকেট কিপার তা ডিসকাউন্ট দেবে না?
হ্যাঁ দিবে, বইলে দেন।
ভালো তো, মানে ওই রেস্টুরেন্টের এখন পর্যন্ত বার্মিংহামে যতগুলো খাইছি ওইটা
সিলভার কয়েনে খাইছেন ভাই? দেশি ব্রাদার্সের পাশে যেটা।
দেশি ব্রাদার্সে একদম সাথে যে, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ওইটার কথা।
কলা গাছ আছে, কলা গাছ টাছ আছে।
আমি কোনটাতে গেছি?
If you go to Bawarchi, try the goat fry biryani.
হ্যাঁ ওইটাই।
he was talking about it.
That's what I'm talking about. That is
Goat,
the best.
yeah, I tried it. I got spicy and it was really good.
আপনি রোগান জোশ ট্রাই করছেন না? রোগান জোশটা ট্রাই করুন।
No, that's what I was saying. Like
Yeah.
I tried a lot of.
Lucky.
শাবাশ ভাইয়া, what a shot ভাইয়া, what a shot.
So I have already tried like goat biryani in 4 or 5 restaurants in Birmingham, but that is stood out for me.
Yeah. Have you ever had South Indian style goat biryani? Like
So that contains
talapakati.
some vegetables and stuff, right? The
No,
South
no, no,
Indian
no.
style.
So South Indian style, we use different rice. We don't use the long grain rice.
So do you use like something like very small ones?
Yeah,
We also do that.
we use the small ones and we cook the mutton with the rice and everything is
Okay,
like
that
cooked
is like
together.
dum biryani, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Dum biryani is like. And I also cook that at home,
Yeah.
but that takes a lot of effort.
ব্যাটিং ভালো হচ্ছে ভাই, ভালো
I mean,
হচ্ছে।
cooking mutton takes a lot of effort in general.
I mean,
No, I love mutton
It
biryani.
also smells if you can cook it well. So
Yeah.
yeah. So the thing is, I typically if I get mutton, I soak it in like lemon juice or
Yeah,
vinegar for-
turmeric.
ওরে মামা রে,
for like 2
মামা।
hours. Then marinate for 2-3 hours. Then I cook. So, even then, I think if you buy like Australian goat, there is no way you can get rid of the smell.
Australian goat.
So basically, if you buy those large
Oh,
boxes
okay.
from Restaurant Depot, those are Australian. There's no way you can
I think my mom washes it with turmeric and then I think she adds something else and then she will boil it first.
I also something else I do is like I burn coal and create some smoke
Yeah.
and keep it there for like 10 minutes. But still, I could not get rid of the smoke from that.
34, yeah.
Very good run. হ্যাঁ, even beef. আপনার ইয়ে ট্রাই করছেন কখনো? হরিণের মাংস ট্রাই করছেন? হরিণের মাংস ট্রাই করছেন এখানে আসার পরে?
এখানে হরিণ আছে?
এখানে হরিণ তো আপনি নিজে মেরে
ব্যাটিং
খেতে পারবেন।
ভাই, ব্যাটিং।
হরিণ মাংস try করতে হবে। যদি মায়া লাগে আমার প্রাণীটা।
হ্যাঁ, ওই চোখে দিয়ে তাকালে আপনি আর মারতে পারবেন না এরা।
হরিণ মারা
তো হরিণের মাংস হচ্ছে আপনার মানে অলমোস্ট গোটের মতোই, কিন্তু গন্ধটা একটু বেশি। যদি ভালো করে রান্না করতে না পারেন ওই গন্ধটা বের করতে পারবেন না। But মজা আছে।
What meat is famous in Bangladesh?
Beef
Beef is famous.
and then mutton.
Beef is like universal. Everyone will complain about it.
Right.
Except in India.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
But if you go to Kolkata,
ভালো, ভালো, ভালো।
Yeah. You go to Kolkata, you come to Kerala and then everyone eats beef in Kerala.
Oh yeah.
34.
Out of 4 or 5?
4 hours.
I think it's the big problem.
Yeah, and
in
the
Delhi.
funny thing is, it's illegal to eat beef in a lot of Indian states. Like it's
Really?
actually illegal. Like
Oh
there's
my
a law stating you should not eat beef. And there are some Hindu extremists who will kill you if you
Yeah,
eat
yeah, yeah,
beef.
they do. Even
Mostly in North India. In South
even-
India, I don't.
even in
I
Delhi
eat
as
beef
well.
when I'm like. In India, I eat beef. My mom will say, "Don't eat." I don't like. I don't care. I eat meat.
but they actually prefer vegetarian options, right? In general, in India.
I don't think so. They eat a lot of chicken
Yeah, no, okay. So the way it is
and goats.
we eat vegetarian throughout the week, and maybe on weekends, only on weekends, we will get meat.
Okay.
So I had like a lot of friends from South India when I was in Boston. They are mostly vegetarian. Like
Yeah.
they would not eat any meat. Or
Yeah,
even
also there's specific days where we won't eat, like Thursdays we don't eat.
I mean, is it kind of religiously forbidden?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I would tell them you can eat shrimp.
Bowler name?
That is like vegetarian. They
Bowler
they
name?
eat shrimp?
wouldn't even eat shrimp.
Yeah, even
Bowler
eggs
name?
and things produced by eggs as well.
No, they can. They eat. Yeah, I
Oh,
asked them
they're
like
of
then
course
then why are you eating eggs? They're like
different-
then how
different-
else we are going to get the protein in it? Like
Yeah.
paneer. I think their main dish is like paneer and for protein.
I mean, there are a lot of sects
you-
in vegetarian as well.
Hey,
Some
Mama,
are
say!
vegan, they don't even eat anything that is from
If you talk to
vegetarian and vegan are different.
different.
yeah, if you talk to a vegetarian person, they will say they get protein from dal and paneer. You not only get protein, you also get a lot of fats when you eat dal
And paneer is coming from where?
paneer is from milk. Like it's like cheese.
So
You
my
basically add some like lemon to the milk, and it, when you add lemon to milk, it spoils, right? Then you just keep cooking, and it will hard, and then that's how
my
you.
PhD advisor was also like from Mumbai.
Uh-huh.
That's a no ball.
No ball.
So his entire family is vegetarian.
No ball.
Free hit. Come on, boy. Free hit.
Okay, don't hide.
But the curry we used to get at his home were like really good. Even though they were
Yeah.
vegetarian, but they're not.
Most people are
Yeah,
like that.
sure.
Like my mom, she is vegetarian, but then she cooks non-veg for me.
And the funny
She
thing,
cooks non-veg for me and my dad. Like everyone, she cooks.
funny thing is, I had a colleague. I mean, we joined together in that year. She was from Iran. Somehow she was also vegetarian.
Yeah.
But the Iranian is still
তো
vegetarian.
ইয়ে স্টাম্প অনেক পিছনে দাঁড়ায় না একেবারে
Oh, sabas batting, bhaiya.
কিবোর্ড তো অনেক পিছনে দাঁড়ায়
Oh my God.
What?
6 fours. Anirban.
Two of them are catches though.
I will say one catch.
Yeah, the
Those are tough
second one could be stopped.
Second,
But
yeah, that could have maybe stopped, but you have to dive.
The thing is, from this position, it's very difficult to guess the
Correct.
height.
And it comes fast.
If he was close to the line and he timed better, definitely catch. I think it hit his hands and then went to four.
Mare,
Oh,
God,
Arre!
gone.
8 up 4-4-4.
না কিছু হবে না। Four. Batting.
Batting re mama ki aske real 220 hocche mama aske real T20 come on
So,
boy.
like, do you have like a lot of different ideology?
Huh?
So do you have like a lot of
Five
different ideologies within Hindu?
Batting.
Yeah.
So
So basically, like, you are Hindu in general, but among in Hinduism we have different gods, right?
yeah.
Some people follow a certain god, some people will follow a different god. So like right now all like the Lord Krishna devotees, they are very famous. Like all around the world you can see them, right? They are a separate group. And then you have like Lord Shiva devotees, like they're called Saivites.
But whoever follows Lord Krishna, do they also acknowledge Lord Shiva?
Yes, but they believe that, like, I don't know how to, like,
They
I
believe
think
he-
like
they-
personal preference, maybe I like this god better,
Because
kind of
I
thing.
like his ideologies.
Yes, same. Yeah, like
10 মিনিট হোক
So this is very much similar to like say,
না, ওটা তো করছি
Judaism,
একবার।
Christianity and